Hello guys, peace of the Lord with everyone. This is Allah the Light, part 2. We were talking about the first video. We showed you that's a little kid, he make the Imam look like a fool. He could not answer him. And he said Allah reflect the light, and Allah himself, he produce light and he reflect light, which is very confusing. And Allah is the light and he is a light. So he have the nature of light. So if you ask Muslims, is Allah like anything? They will say no, he is unlike anything. But if you say to me, is Allah is the light and angels is light? Angels made it from light, but Allah is a light. So Allah and angels, they have the same nature. According to you, not to me. No, I'm not talking about me now. So he is the light and he is light. And just to show everybody that this is not a spiritual light, this is a physical light, we will go to the explanation of Al-Qurtubi, which is #1 Imam in the world. And before we go there, I want to show you something before I forgot. In here, in Arabic, it says, if you read the translation, that's Allah, the purple of his light is as. So it's is as. And when we say is as, it means this is how he is. He has given you a very clear picture about how Allah is. If there is a niche, and within that lamp, the lamp enclosed in a glass, the glass as it were a brilliant. Now you see the translation is star. This is a big fat lie. The word in here is kawkab. It's not a star. Here we go. You see it? Kawkab. You can go to any Arab guy and ask him. You can repeat after me. Kawkab, kawkab, kawkab. It's very easy to pronounce. Kawkab. What does kawkab mean? Ask anyone. He will say to you right away, a planet. No one, not even a a drunk Arab guy, not even no one will say to you ever that kawkab mean a star. No one. I challenge even any Arab to say to me that kawkab mean a star. And we can go even. We can show, the video I made before this, I showed it from the dictionary that this is a big lie. Even in dictionary, Kawkab is a planet who take light from the sun. This is what the dictionary, the Islamic dictionary. You can go online to Shakar dictionary and you will see it. So I showed you from Google, I showed you from dictionary. Now we will continue. So, in here, after the lie in the translation, he's saying, light from a blessed tree. So Allah, that glass is lighting from a blessed tree. Okay? Which mean, because remember, Allah now is explaining to us how he is. As long we are lighting from a blessed tree, it means I am not the sources of light. Is that correct? Because I do not need, the lamp, the oil lamp, he's talking about the oil lamp. Okay? The lamp, that lamp, need the olive tree, oil, to light up. So it cannot light by itself. So if the olive is over, the light will be over. Now Allah is saying to us, the glass as if it were in a brilliant planet, not star again. Light from a blessed tree. What does that mean? An olive. So the tree is an olive tree. Neither of the east nor of the west, whose oil is well nigh luminous. Okay. So now Allah, he need oil. Allah cannot light from himself. Remember, Allah has given you an explanation about how he is, how he function as a light. Okay. So the lamp is something made. We made it, a human, we made a lamp, and that lamp design from a ball in the bottom have oil in it, and the top of it there is a glass, and the glass will make the light more shiny. This is the reason of the glass, right? So if the oil is over, the light will be over. So the lamp itself really is not the one is lighting. The lamp is a tool to burn the oil. I think everybody agree. So it is the oil who do make the light. Why? By burning the oil, not by burning the lamp. The lamp itself is not burning. The oil is burning. I think we agree. So in here Allah is saying to us that He is the same as that lamp who take light from, you see, from a blessed tree, which means the olive, an olive tree, neither of the east nor of the west. According to the explanation, and I will show you, it's mean that the sun will never disappear from this light, which means the sun always will be in the top of that tree wherever it go, because it is in the mid of the earth. This is what the Muslims explain. So, and whose oil is well nigh luminous. It's almost that oil is lighting, but it's not lighting. What does that mean? Yeah, the oil alone will not light. We need to burn it. So Allah is the lamp, and He take oil from somewhere else. And what is that? What that light is coming from? It's coming from burning the oil. So now the question: what is the oil Allah is using? The example is very clear. The story is exposed. I don't think there is any hiding details left. And you will see in there, though fire scarce touch it, light upon light. So even fire is not touching that light, but almost. Okay? So this is an oil. He light almost. Well, almost he will do light by itself, but almost. He's saying, he's not saying he do, almost. And even though no fire or light did touch him. Touch what? Touch the oil. Now this is very extremely confusing, extremely stupid, because this is showing us that God is not God. Because if God, He is talking sources of power from different place, He cannot be God. If I need oil, your God Allah is no different from my car. Because as you see, Allah, He will take oil. He don't have the oil, and He is not the one He is lighting. If we need to explain again, I will explain again. Okay, let us go again. Allah is the light of heavens and the earth. The purple of His light as if there were a niche, and within it a lamp. The lamp enclosed in a glass. The glass as it were in a brilliant planet, not star. Okay? Light from a blessed tree. So light from. He don't have the light by himself. Do you see it? Allah is telling us that He is the same as this. So He is the lamp, who need to light from. From what? A blessed tree. Tree of what? An olive. Where is the location of this tree? Neither of the east nor of the west, which means it is in the mid of the world. And according to explanation, the sun is hitting it always because it's in the mid of the world. This is very, stupid, because what the sun have to do with being in the mid of the earth? And what the mid of the earth mean? Why? The earth is flat? There's no mid. What do you mean mid? To be in the mid, you have to be in the magma. Anyway, so whose oil is well nigh luminous, through fire scar touch it. Light upon light, Allah doth guide who he want to light. So in here we will see that Allah, He cannot depend on Himself to produce light, which means He is not light, and He cannot be the light, and He is a reflector of light, as that guy he was explaining to that kid. Because Allah, He need the oil, and the oil will burn, and the glass of that lamp will reflect the light to go in different locations, spread it out. So Allah is the same as the lamp, but He is not the sources of light, not like the star. He is the same as the lamp you have at home. The lamp at your home is not the sources of light. What's happening inside that lamp is a source of light. the power, the energy, the electricity. The purpose of that glass around we call it the lamp, is just to keep away the air away from that little silk, little wire, who is going to be burning shiny, without existence of air, and will give you an extreme strong light. So Allah is the same as that lamp, and that lamp who need oil, which means Allah cannot be God, and he need enlightened by somebody else. He need oil, like your car. Your car need oil? I think so. God bless you.